Tasting Wine with Andrea Jennifer. If you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe because it really helps my channel grow. And if you're not new, welcome back. Today we're going to be reviewing a favorite Napa Valley Cabernet Sauvignon, none other than the 2018 Artemis. One of my favorite wines from none other than Stags Leap Wine Cellars. Now, Artemis, I'm going to go ahead and get into the tasting notes so I can get that going. The 2018 Artemis Cabernet Sauvignon delivers expressive aromas of ripe raspberry, dark cherry, blackberry, along with hints of cedar and spice. Cedar and spice, wonderful. The mid-palate is pleasant and round with flavors of dark chocolate, plum, dried fruit, and toasted oak. The finish is also rich and lingering. So let me go ahead and see what I can taste. Now my glass has had a chance to really open up and oxygenate. So let's go ahead and give this a try and see what my mid-palate can taste. Okay, so the aroma is wonderful. I do smell plum, and I do detect the raspberry ever so lightly and some cedar and spice. So let me see if I can detect what I can detect on my mid-palate. Here we go. Delicious. It definitely delivers wonderful round flavors of dark chocolate, plum, dried fruit, and toasted oak. Some of the food pairings that I really enjoy and have paired this with is a grilled tri-tip. I've also done some braised short ribs. I've had some people over and we've just done some delicious braised short ribs, and I've also had a group of people come and we've actually sat here on my back patio and we've had pasta with some wild mushrooms with a cold green salad, and that was just wonderful. Some of the things my husband and I like to pair it with on a Friday night when we're just tired and we just want to have our own time is we'll do a beautiful charcuterie tray with tons of prosciutto and wonderful cheeses that we love. Now, the wine analysis for this particular wine is the blend is it's 98% Cabernet Sauvignon, 1% Petit Verdot, and 1% Malbec. Now, the aging process of this is the wine was aged for 15 months in 40% new oak, 13.5% French oak, 5% new American oak, with the balance in older oak barrels. And the alcohol is 14.5%. Now, the nice thing that I like about this wine is it's not strong wine, it's not strong alcohol tasting. There's a lot of wines that I have tried that where you just taste so much alcohol, and personally, I do not like those types of wines. I like smooth wines. I like these types of, wines that deliver such, intricate flavors, just a wonderful round tasting wine. And of course, Stags Leap Wine Cellars always, always, always delivers. That's my personal opinion. So guess what? Now it's that time for you to sit back, pour yourself a glass of your favorite wine, and I'm going to share a little bit of information about Artemis wine from none other than Stags Leap Wine Cellars. Cheers. 45 years after showing up Bordeaux in the landmark Judgment of Paris spectacle, Stags Leap Wine Cellars remains a benchmark for California Cabernet Sauvignon, a first-growth Napa Valley estate. Named after the Greek goddess of the hunt, Artemis, is a wine that truly reflects its name. Stags Leap Wine Cellars 2018 Artemis Cabernet Sauvignon is a gorgeous, complex wine that's as classic Napa as it gets, with quintessential notes of concentrated blackberry and cassis, hints of vanilla and milk chocolate, and a touch of bell pepper. I recently had this with steak, whipped potatoes, black truffle, mac and cheese. It paired very well and brought pepper flavors from the steak along with many other flavors. It's a Cabernet blend that's part of Stags Leap Napa Valley collection, which draws on fruit both from the estate and sourced from a range of other Napa vineyards. The 2008 Artemis has an average price of $73, but is $10 to $20 less at many stores. Stags Leap Estate Collection Cabernet command prices from the $150 to $300 range. Thank you for watching this video. If you happen to try this wine, please comment below and let me know what you thought about it. And most importantly, please let me know if there's anything that you would like me to try, such as a cocktail, a wine, and you may see that in my next video. Once again, thanks for watching. Here's to tasting wine.